Some boats are made for the dock. The Sea Ray SLX 400 is made for leaving early and staying out until you decide otherwise. Built in Knoxville, Tennessee. Sea Ray has been doing this since 1959. American sport boats that run hard, look good doing it, and go back out the next morning. 3. Mercury Verado Phi 8 outboards behind the transom. On plane before the chop has a chance to push back. 52 knots when you need distance fast. You're past the inlet and into open water before most people have left the fuel dock. Hit the button and the hydraulic starboard terrace opens. 3 extra feet of beam, instant walk-around platform right over the water. 2 paddleboards live in the enclosed transom. Getting in takes about 30 seconds. The terrace is the lead feature. Anchor up, terrace out. Full outdoor platform over the water before the hook settles. Joystick piloting manages 3 independent outboards from 1 input. Tight marinas, side docks, crosswind docking. You don't need to call for help. 2 full-size paddleboards ready in the enclosed transom. And Raymarine electronics at the helm keep you oriented when you're running into new water. Below the helm, air conditioning, day head, refreshment center, forward V-berth, and a midship queen. 6 feet of headroom throughout. Yacht certified overnight, meaning this boat is as capable sitting on the hook for 2 nights as it is at 52 knots. This is a sport boat you can live on, not permanently, just long enough that the day doesn't have to end at the dock. For the full spec sheet and availability, visit yachtspecsdirect.com. I'm Kaya from Minted Yachts. For additional information, feel free to email me at info@mintedyyachts.com or hit us up at yachtspecsdirect.com. New to yachting? Then grab our free buyer's guide at yachtbuying101.com and find your water.